Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Amazon Alexa, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, max trailer hitch package, no luxury tax, tow hooks, aluminum wheels, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're gonna have these huge doors with lots of extra storage and cup holders here on the bottom. It's also gonna come equipped with that Bose speaker sound system. You're gonna have these huge speakers on the bottom of the door. Of course, you're gonna have that black leather and that wood grain chrome finish here with your mirror memory and as well as your seat memory. You're gonna have that Denali badging with the power locks and the power windows. You're gonna have these power retractable running boards. Of course, you're gonna have Denali badging there as well. The power adjustable heated and ventilated Denali seats. You're gonna have that Denali stitch, very comfortable. All right, moving in. On the left side here, you're gonna have your trailer mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive, your lighting controls. On the left side here, you're gonna have your odometer control as well as your heads-up display. On the steering wheel here, you're gonna have your cruise control set on the left as well as your forward collision alert and your heated steering wheel. The Denali badging on the right. Of course, we're gonna have our voice recognition and our odometer control. Behind the steering wheel, you're gonna have these two matte black paddle shifters. Of course, the all digital displays. You can access your oil life, brake pad life, timer, tire pressure, driver assistance, oil life, and so much more. Of course, at GMC, you're gonna have this huge engine push to start button, as well as on the bottom here, you're gonna have your lane keep assist, automatic parking, hill descent control as well. Of course, on the bottom here, you're gonna have 2 USB ports as well as that quick charge right there. Onto the center console, you're gonna have that same kind of stylish Chevrolet. The GMC is quite the same, of course, with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Google Assistant, as well as you're gonna access your front and rear cameras as well. Of course, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Amazon Alexa, podcasts, and so much more. Of course, you can swipe through here to connect your trailer, music, and of course your maps. You're gonna have the new shifter here with your trailer mode right there, wireless charging pad inside here, as well as more USB ports, an AC wall charger, and this movable storage compartment with lots of extra storage under. Passenger side's gonna have that same finish there with that Denali stitch, as well as you're gonna have that wood across the door again, the huge Bose speakers. You're gonna have wood and that black wood stain across. You're gonna have speakers up top as well. You're also gonna have the camera and regular rear view mirror. You're gonna have your reading lamp, OnStar services, universal garage door opener, and as well as your powered sunroof. So you're gonna have these 22-inch beautiful aluminum wheels with that monochrome GMC badge there. Of course, with more Denali badging, as well with the chrome mirror cap and chrome keyless entry door handle. It's also gonna come equipped with that tonneau cover. You're also gonna have your corner step and your dual exhaust. That chrome is beautiful with that trailer hitch and the 5th wheel just under. Of course, the multifunctional tailgate as well. Push that down for that easy access. Once you remove that tonneau cover, you also got the handle right on the side. Lots of extra tow hooks, and you're also gonna have an AC wall charger in the back as well as other lamps. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear, it's gonna have that same style, lots of extra storage here on the bottom of the door. That Bose speaker, of course, just with the power window, you're gonna have that wood in the back as well. Hop up in here. It's crew cab, you're gonna have lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, rear cup holders, rear heated seats, as well as 2 USB ports. Little extra room here as well in the middle. You have that cup holder and armrest right in the middle. As well as you're gonna have storage behind the seats as well. Storage under the seats. As well as you're gonna have the lamps and the handles on the side. Oh, and rear sliding window. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated leather seats. No luxury tax, as well as trailer tow package, 22-inch aluminum wheels, tow hooks, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.